Hello everyone. What is the GDP of Greece? GDP means the total value of goods and services produced in a country. Greece has a nominal GDP of about 280.5 billion US dollars. This makes Greece a medium-sized economy in Europe and a notable economy worldwide. Greece GDP per capita is about 27,000 US dollars, showing the average economic output linked to each person. However, this is an average, so it does not mean every person earns that amount. The economy of Greece is strongly supported by tourism, shipping, and services. Tourism brings many visitors and foreign income, while shipping connects Greece to global trade. Services also include retail, transport, finance, and public activities. How Greece ranks by GDP depends on the data source and exchange rates, but Greece is far smaller than Europe's largest economies. GDP growth in Greece has returned in recent years after a long debt crisis, although growth can change with tourism, energy costs, and global demand. Greece also has farming, food production, and manufacturing, which add to national output. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.